$3.99. Smack it down.
And Michael, I don't know, can you change the information from radiant to emerald cut on the drop-down menu? Okay. All right. So let me just tell you something. How many of the option number 2, the emerald cut, do we have? Okay, we have 2 of these. This, so let me just tell you something about gemstone carat weights, okay? We buy gemstones in lots, okay? So we buy them in a whole group, a parcel. So it's not, we don't very often buy things in onesie-twosies. We buy a parcel of stones. We know how many stones are in the parcel. We know what the total weight of the parcel is. There might be 300 stones in one parcel. So we go back and do an average carat weight. Okay, so if we know that they're all within the dimensions of what a half carat stone should be, you can estimate that, and that's done globally. That's not a big deal, but I want you to understand that. This is an entirely different deal. Each one of these is a unique diamond. So it says 3 carats, all right? It says 3 carats on the emerald cut, right? Tell me what this says on the grading report. I want you to hear this. What does this emerald cut weigh? Put your glasses on.
3 carat 47. 3 carat 47. That means it's almost a 3.5 carat. Or it is a 3.5 carat.
You can call it 3.5. 3.5 carats. There's a 10% allowable margin on either side, up or down, so that you can call that's a 3.5 carat. This is the largest one in the whole bunch, guys. If you want to go by how much weight you can get, you want to get that one right there. That's amazing. This is going to be, I think, 304. This is 306, something like that. So these are very, very close to 3 carats. This is a game changer. If you walked into any place on the planet, and let's say it was $2,000 a carat, this one would be 2,006. This would be $6,000 and over $6,000.
Well, the white ones, they were charging them out of their network?
Yeah.
$4,500 per carat.
Oh, you're kidding.
$4,500 per carat is what they were charging. So do 3 carat 47 times 4,500. That's what you would be. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you right now, you need to be on the line on this. This is a game changer. The round just sold out. The emerald cut is a 3 carat 47 right now. The one we have here, we only have 2, so you have 1 in 50 chance of getting that size.
Yeah.
You have a 1 in 50 or 50 chance of getting that size.
Look at, okay, forget for a second about the color, okay? Forget for just a moment about the clarity, which these are all VS, very slightly VS, an incredible set of proportions. But look at this on the white background for just a second, and look how much fire. Okay, fire is sort of the slang version. It's the everyday version for something that we called technically dispersion. Look at all those rainbows right there. Rainbows, even the emerald cut. Do you know how rare it is to get any dispersion off of an emerald cut? Because you just don't very rarely get that level of symmetry. Is the round sold out?
Yep.
Oh boy. Look at your fiery button there. Look at that. All right, guys, final 3 minutes, and then
final 3 minutes of our show too, ladies and gentlemen.
6 diamonds.
Final 6. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, she's right. The emerald cut is one that you don't see in most retailers because they don't want to pay to have that quality. You have to have an excellent starting rough to have that. But that emerald cut is literally a half carat larger than we're promising you on that particular one. It's a 3 carat 47 on that one. You may get that one. You may get one that's 3 carat. But if you get them both, you're definitely going to get that one. Yeah, because we only have 2.
These are not parcel weight and parcel average. These are individually weighed, individually measured, and they're measured down to 1/100 of a millimeter. You take a bread knife and try to slice the millimeter into 100 pieces. Yeah, what's going to happen? You're going to lose a finger.
Yeah, you're not going to have much bread either. I feel sorry for the person getting that share. Here's your share, 1/100th of a piece of bread. But ladies and gentlemen, don't miss these. We are down to the final 6, and when they're gone, I don't know if we're getting more in or if we can. Please understand that this price of $13.47 is unbelievable. I will tell you, Dion got the 3 carat. This is exactly the one she got. Is she here today? Is Dion here? Does she have a ring on? Can you bring it to me? I'm in love with her ring, by the way.
Oh, I know.
I'm going to steal it.
She took one of her Rhapsody pieces.
I know. She took 2. She also got the 5 carat.
Oh, she did?
She got the 5 carat.
Smart girl.
She's doing her 5 carat.
Smart girl.
And as well. But ladies and gentlemen, $13.47. This price is an unbelievable deal for 3-carat diamonds. Remember, these don't look like diamonds, act like diamonds. Wait a minute. Show this. Show. Don't touch anything, Miss Becky. Don't move.
Okay.
I want you to look. Look at that rainbow. Look at that rainbow on the table. Miss Becky, look up there.
Oh, you're kidding me.
That is from an emerald cut, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, my gosh.
You do not get that level of dispersion from an emerald cut normally.
Oh.
My brain is freaking exploding right now.
That's taking my breath away. You do not get that level of cutting.
I mean, we're not moving anything. We're not touching anything. We're not doing anything. That is just the light coming through that emerald cut, and you see that rainbow. I mean, that right there, we could not. Oh, my goodness. I got to sit down. My blood pressure's getting all hot now. I'm getting all hot-natured now. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't miss that emerald cut.
You better charge up the defibrillator because Hunter's going to have a...